Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add watermark in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. In this video, I will show that add watermark is connected from the now. Going to the design menu option. Now for click, then click with the watermark option. Now click with the custom watermark. Now click with the text option. Then select from the text. Then this text is the font sense. Then choose font. Now select from the size, then select from the color. Now click on the apply option, then size from the, now from apply, again size. Now click for close. That's it. Then I show the add watermark in Microsoft Word is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.